Consider a scenario in which the likelihood that an object is in state A or not in state A is known. So I guess state, I don't know, state of the union? The likelihood that the object stays in its current state or moves to the opposite state is also known. Which of the following matrices could be a transition matrix from the current state of the object to the next state of the object? All right, so we're given three matrices, and this is like those probability matrices where if you add up the left number to the right number, it has to equal 1. So that's what we're doing here. Is the number on the left plus the number on the right equal to 1? Well, you're not, because you're going to be like 0.85, so 1 is no good. 0.6 plus 0.4 is 1. 0.25 plus 0.75 is 1. I don't care about the columns. That has nothing to do with anything. That's good, that's good, that's good, that's good. 0.8 plus 0 is not 1 again. I think they tried to trick you here where they gave you the columns that do add up to 1, but I don't care about the columns. Don't care at all. All I care about is, do these left and right numbers add up to 1? Yes, yes. So the answer is 2 and only 2. Or I, like my last name.